Let's have a look at room tags in the 3D tiny house designer. When you're designing your tiny house, you might want to show what room is what. And this is especially important when you're getting certifications, because sometimes the certification agency actually needs to see what room does what. And otherwise it also makes it clearer for the builder to understand which room is dedicated to what kind of use case. So to use the room tag tool, you go all the way down to the left in the technical tools over here, and we'll grab a room tag, and it will pop up with this large orange cube. And you don't have to resize this cube. This is just a marker showing you where the room tag will go, and it will place it somewhat here in the middle of the living area. Or actually, I'll just place it into the kitchen here, and I will call this kitchen. There we go. And then I will copy it, and I will place this one into the living area, and I'll call this living. And then I will go into the bathroom here, and I will call this bathroom. And then the next one will be in the in the bedroom. We'll call this bedroom. And then we'll go into the loft bedroom, and then we'll pop it on here, and we'll call this loft bedroom if I can type. There we go. Awesome. So now we've placed all of the room tags, and of course they're now in the middle of the design. You might not want to see them. So a good tip here is go into the views and disable the room tags, and now you can keep designing as usual. But once you export the plans, let's say we'll just quickly generate a plan set here, you will see those pop up. So I'm just going to export the entire plan set to show you where these room tags will show up, and this will take just a couple of seconds until the plan is fully exported. There we go. So the plan is exported, and now when we look into the plan set here, we'll go down here and we can actually see those room tags pop up. So these are just little labels showing you what the room does. So in this case, it's the living room, the kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. And then here's the loft bedroom and the loft, of course. And then these also show up on the shell plans as well. So this is super useful to just make the design a little bit more, a little bit more finished, so you can understand where everything goes.